How to fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal cancelled for your protection. So everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal cancelled for your protection. So first of all, you have to verify your account balance. You can send money you don't have in your Cash App balance. Make sure you have the funds available in Cash App by opening the app and tapping the bank icon. And after that, you can update the app and then verify your account. Go to your profile and make sure the information is correct. If you have a card linked to your account that you are trying to use, make sure it's in your name, and you can then check your internet connection. You can change any Wi-Fi network connection, or you can just use mobile data. And after that, you have to finish your verification. Especially if you are new to Cash App, you'll need to follow a few prompts. First, tap the transaction in question. It's actually usually pending, and follow the on-screen prompts to receive your money. And then your debit card info must be up to date. Make sure that, and you can also clear your browser cache and cookies. And then if all the seven solution doesn't work with you, you can lastly contact Cash App and start a chat and discuss your problem with them, and they will try to fix it. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.